In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Smartsheet dashboard. Whether you're new to Smartsheet or looking to enhance your project management skills, creating a dashboard is a great way to visualize data and keep your team informed on key metrics. Let's get started by creating a dashboard from scratch. First, head over to the home screen of your Smartsheet account. You can easily spot this from the left navigation rail. Here, you'll find a plus icon. Click on that, or alternatively, look for the button labeled Start a New Project, Program, or Process. Both options will lead you to the next step, which is creating something entirely new. Once you've clicked either option, you'll be presented with a choice of what type of item you'd like to create. In our case, we're focusing on creating a dashboards, which is sometimes labeled as Dashboard Portal. Select this option to proceed. Now, it's important to give your new dashboard a name that is clear and descriptive. Naming it thoughtfully helps not only you, but also anyone else who might be interacting with it understand the purpose at a glance. After typing in your chosen name, go ahead and click OK. This creates a blank canvas where you'll be building your dashboard. At this point, you have successfully created a new blank dashboard, a space where all of your information will converge neatly. Think of it as an empty canvas ready to be filled with helpful tools like charts, reports, and widgets that pull in important data from different parts of your project. Before we move on to designing your dashboard, take a moment to envision what you want to achieve with it. This planning step is crucial because a well-organized dashboard can serve as a powerful tool to keep track of progress, analyze data, and communicate vital information effectively with your team. As you proceed to add elements, start prioritizing what insights or updates are most critical to highlight. For example, if tracking project progress is your main objective, consider integrating graphs that display milestones and timelines. If team communication is a focus, a panel set up to show recent comments or updates from colleagues might be ideal. By customizing the type of widgets and data you include, your Smartsheet dashboard will grow into a personalized command center. Remember, the dashboard you create today can evolve over time. As your projects grow or change, you can easily adjust the elements within your dashboard to better match current needs. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips on how to optimize your Smartsheet experience.